Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. I am Analuti Rentoaya. I am 27 years old, single with 3 kids, and high school graduate. I would like to work in Hong Kong because I want to able to support my family daily expenses, especially for my children for their future and education.
Okay, Mr. Rentoaya, I have some questions for you. When employer gets angry to your mistake and shout to you, what will you do?
I ensure to stay calm, apologize, and correct my mistake.
Okay, if baby cries at midnight, what will you do?
I will check first what the baby needs, like changing diaper, changing clothes, feeding, and soothe him. After that, I will put him back to sleep again.
How you assist the children in crossing the street?
I will hold the hand tightly, check the traffic light, and if there's no passing by, we will cross the pedestrian lane together.
If you find some money or jewelry in your employer's clothes or in their room, what will you do?
I will inform my employer immediately.
Gets injury or fever, what will you do?
I will give first aid and inform my employer regarding the situation.
Okay, if you don't understand the instructions from your employer, what will you do?
I will ask clarification politely.
Okay, Ms. Rentoaya, will you agree to renew another contract if employer requests you?
Yes, I will, given that the work conditions are good and fair.
What is your promise to your future employer if they will choose you to be their helper?
Sir, madam, if you choose me to be your helper, I will promise to be hardworking, honest, and fulfill my responsibilities and duties. Moreover, I will respect my employer rules and ensure to take good care of their home and family. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Have a nice day.